यह बहुत आसान है। It's a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. अब मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do now? What should I do now? इतने भावुक मत बनो। Don't be so emotional. Don't be so emotional. मैं तुमसे कल मिलूँगा। I will see you tomorrow. I will see you tomorrow. मैं रास्ते में हूँ। I am on the way. I am on the way. मेरा मजाक बनाना बंद करो। Stop making fun of me. Stop making fun of me. जल्दबाजी मत करो। Don't rush. Don't rush. मेरा फ़ोन मत छुओ। Don't touch my phone. Don't touch my phone. यह एक बुरी आदत है। This is a bad habit. This is a bad habit. नियम मत तोड़ो। Don't break the rules. Don't break the rules. दूसरों को दोष देना बंद करो। Stop blaming others. Stop blaming others. तुम खूबसूरत लग रही हो। You are looking beautiful. You are looking beautiful. मैं तुम्हें निराश नहीं करूँगा। I will not let you down. I will not let you down. मैं पहले ही खा चुका हूँ। I have already eaten. I have already eaten. मैं इसे कभी नहीं भूलूंगा। I will never forget this. I will never forget this. तुम्हारा फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? What's your phone number? What's your phone number? मैं बहुत निराश हूँ। I am very disappointed. I am very disappointed. तुम इसे अकेले नहीं कर सकते। You can't do this alone. You can't do this alone. मुझे नज़रअंदाज मत करो। Don't ignore me. Don't ignore me. तुम इतने गुस्से में क्यों हो? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? कृपया मेरे साथ रहो। Please stay with me. Please stay with me. मुझे थोड़ी ताज़ी हवा चाहिए। I need some fresh air. I need some fresh air. वह तुमसे झूठ बोल रहा है। He is lying to you. He is lying to you. अति आत्मविश्वासी मत बनो। Don't be overconfident. Don't be overconfident. अच्छी खबर क्या है? What's the good news? What's the good news? इतने आलसी मत बनो। Don't be so lazy. Don't be so lazy. मुझे ब्रेक चाहिए। I need a break. I need a break. मुझे तुम्हारी याद आएगी। I will miss you. I will miss you. जब तुम खाली हो तो मुझे कॉल करना। Call me when you are free. Call me when you are free. इतने कठोर मत बनो। Don't be so rude. Don't be so rude. कारण क्या है? What is the reason? What is the reason? तुम्हारा पता क्या है? What is your address? What is your address? समय सब कुछ ठीक कर देता है। Time heals everything. Time heals everything. तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? मुझे ऐसे मत देखो। Don't look at me like that. Don't look at me like that. मेरे पास और कोई विकल्प नहीं है। I have no other option. I have no other option. अपनी आवाज़ धीमी रखो। Keep your voice low. Keep your voice low. यह तुम्हारी गलती है। This is your fault. This is your fault. यह मेरी गलती नहीं है। This is not my fault. This is not my fault. ज़्यादा बात मत करो। Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ। I am on your side. I am on your side. अब आपकी तबीयत कैसी है? How is your health now? How is your health now? मुझसे पंगा मत लो। Don't mess with me. Don't mess with me. मैं जाने के लिए तैयार हूँ। I am ready to go. I am ready to go. मैं तुम्हें बताना भूल गया। I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. तुम थके हुए लग रहे हो। You look tired. You look tired. इसे और खराब मत करो। Don't make it worse. Don't make it worse. मैं इसे खुद संभाल लूँगा। I will handle it myself. I will handle it myself. मेरा मूड नहीं है। I am not in the mood. I am not in the mood. आग से मत खेलो। Don't play with fire. Don't play with fire. इस पर नज़र रखो। Keep an eye on it. Keep an eye on it. तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो। You can count on me. You can count on me. शिकायत करना बंद करो. Stop complaining. Stop complaining. यह तुम्हारे लिए अच्छा नहीं है. It's not good for you. It's not good for you. अपना वादा निभाओ. Keep your promise. Keep your promise. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. अपने चेहरे को मत छुओ. Don't touch your face. Don't touch your face. समय समाप्त हो रहा है. Time is running out. Time is running out. मुझे थोड़ा समय दो. Give me some time. Give me some time. क्या यह साफ है? Is it clear? Is it clear? तुम्हें कैसे पता? How do you know? How do you know? जैसा मैं कहता हूँ वैसा करो. Do as I say. Do as I say. तुम्हें यह कहाँ से मिला? Where did you get this from? Where did you get this from? यह तो होना ही था. It was bound to happen. It was bound to happen. काश मैं वहाँ जा पाता. I wish I could go there. I wish I could go there. क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? दाल में कुछ काला है. There is something fishy. There is something fishy. मेरी पूरी बात सुनो. Hear me out. Hear me out. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. देखो और सीखो. Watch and learn. Watch and learn. मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do? What can I do? मैं तो बस मजाक कर रहा था. I was just joking. I was just joking. मैं आपको नहीं जानता. I don't know you. I don't know you. समझने की कोशिश करो. Try to understand. Try to understand. मैं तुम्हें बाद में कॉल करूँगी. I will call you later. I will call you later. आज मेरे पास कोई काम नहीं है. I have no work today. I have no work today. तुम्हारी ऐसा कहने की हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you say that? How dare you say that? इसे मत सूंघो. Don't sniff it. Don't sniff it. यहाँ उल्टी मत करो. Don't vomit here. Don't vomit here. या फिर कह सकते हैं Don't puke here. डोंट puke here. गर्दन मत झुकाओ. डोंट bow your head. डोंट bow your head. नाक में उंगली मत डालो. डोंट pick your nose. डोंट pick your nose. आँख मत मारो. डोंट wink. डोंट wink. यहाँ मत थूको. डोंट spit here. डोंट spit here. यहाँ मत छीको. डोंट sneeze here. डोंट sneeze here. चीखना बंद करो. स्टॉप स्क्रीमिंग. स्टॉप स्क्रीमिंग. मैं आ रहा हूँ. आई एम कमिंग. आई एम कमिंग. तुम जाओ. यू गो. यू गो. मुझे देखो. लुक एट मी. लुक एट मी. क्या यह तुम्हारा है? इज दिस योर्स? इज दिस योर्स? मुझे मत रोको. डोंट स्टॉप मी. डोंट स्टॉप मी. यह कैसा है? हाउ इज दिस? हाउ इज दिस? सब ठीक है. ऑल इज वेल. ऑल इज वेल. यह आसान नहीं है. दिस इज नॉट ईजी. दिस इज नॉट ईजी. मैं सुन रहा हूँ. आई एम लिसनिंग. आई एम लिसनिंग. क्या तुम समझे? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? डिड यू अंडरस्टैंड? मैं भूल गया. आई forgot. आई forgot. यह कहाँ है? Where is this? Where is this? क्या हुआ वहाँ? What happened there? What happened there? यह कब हुआ? When did it happen? When did it happen? मैं सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking. I am thinking. क्या यह सही है? Is this correct? Is this correct? यह मेरा काम है. This is my work. This is my work. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे तुमसे बात करनी है. I need to talk to you. I need to talk to you. यह बहुत मुश्किल है. It's very hard. It's very hard. मेरी बात मानो. Listen to me. Listen to me. यह कैसा दिखता है? How does it look? How does it look? क्या तुम मुझे पहचानते हो? Do you recognize me? Do you recognize me? मुझे चिंता है. I am worried. I am worried. मैं ठीक हूँ. I am okay. I am okay. वह कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? यह किसका है? Whose is this? Whose is this? मैं खेल रहा हूँ। I am playing. I am playing. क्या तुम खेलना चाहते हो? Do you want to play? Do you want to play? मैं सो रहा हूँ। I am sleeping. I am sleeping. दरवाज़ा मत खोलो। Don't open the door. Don't open the door. दरवाज़ा मत बंद करो। Don't close the door. Don't close the door. मुझे पैसे चाहिए। I need money. I need money. तुम बहुत तेज हो। You are very fast. You are very fast. यह सच है। It's true. It's true. यह झूठ है। It's false. It's false. मैं भूल नहीं सकता। I can't forget. I can't forget. मुझे अच्छा लगा। I liked it. I liked it. यह बहुत स्वादिष्ट है। This is very tasty. This is very tasty. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मैं बाहर जा रहा हूँ। I am going out. I am going out. मैं अंदर आ रहा हूँ। I am coming in. I am coming in. मुझे इंतज़ार है। I am waiting. I am waiting. क्या यह नया है? Is this new? Is this new? यह पुराना है। This is old. This is old. मेरी किताब दो। Give me my book. Give me my book. मुझे घर जाना है। I have to go home. I have to go home. वह कहाँ गया? Where did he go? Where did he go? यह किसने किया? Who did this? Who did this? मैं नहीं जानता। I don't know. I don't know. मैं बाहर हूँ। I am outside. I am outside. वह अंदर है। He is inside. He is inside. क्या तुम सुन सकते हो? Can you hear? Can you hear? सब ध्यान दे। Everyone pay attention. Everyone pay attention. जल्दी उठो। Get up quickly. Get up quickly. मुझे बुलाओ मत। Don't call me. Don't call me. अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? मैं खुद करूँगा। I'll do it myself. I'll do it myself. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. उसे फ़ोन करो. Call him. Call him. मुझे सोचना है. I need to think. I need to think. यह मज़ेदार है. This is fun. This is fun. क्या यह काम करेगा? Will it work? Will it work? इसे यहीं छोड़ दो. Leave it here. Leave it here. चलो खाना बनाएं. Let's cook food. Let's cook food. मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ. I am not ready. I am not ready. तुम्हें आना चाहिए. You should come. You should come. मुझे नींद आ रही है. I am sleepy. I am sleepy. अभी कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything now. Don't say anything now. क्या तुम्हें मदद चाहिए? Do you need help? Do you need help? यह मेरा फ़ोन है. This is my phone. This is my phone. यह किसका फ़ोन है? Whose phone is this? Whose phone is this? मैं व्यस्त हूँ. I am busy. I am busy. क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? मुझे मज़ा आ रहा है. I am enjoying it. I am enjoying it. सब मेरे साथ आओ. Everyone come with me. Everyone come with me. वहाँ क्या है? What's there? What's there? तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are very nice. You are very nice. यह मत करो. Don't do this. Don't do this. क्या यह सही दिशा है? Is this the right direction? Is this the right direction? मैं जल्दी में हूँ. I am in a hurry. I am in a hurry. मुझे तैयार होना है. I need to get ready. I need to get ready. उसे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave him alone. Leave him alone. मैं भूल गया था. I had forgotten. I had forgotten. यह बहुत तेज है. This is very fast. This is very fast. क्या तुम शांत हो? Are you calm? Are you calm? मुझ पर चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout at me. Don't shout at me. यह बहुत हल्का है. This is very light. This is very light. यह बहुत भारी है. This is very heavy. This is very heavy. मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. I am not happy. I am not happy. मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. I don't care. I don't care. तुम सही समय पर आए. You came on time. You came on time. तुम लेट हो गए. You are late. You are late. आज मौसम अच्छा है. The weather is nice today. The weather is nice today. बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining. धूप निकल रही है. The sun is out. The sun is out. बादल छाए हुए हैं. It's cloudy. It's cloudy. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. मुझे गर्मी लग रही है. I am feeling hot. I am feeling hot. चलो बाहर चले. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. क्या मैं अंदर आ सकता हूँ? Can I come in? Can I come in? सब लोग सुनो. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. क्या यह साफ है? Is this clean? Is this clean? यह गंदा है. It is dirty. It is dirty. तुम बहुत प्यारे हो. You are very sweet. You are very sweet. सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मुझे चिंता मत दो. Don't stress me. Don't stress me. क्या तुम खुश हो? Are you happy? Are you happy? मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I am sorry. I am sorry. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. अब शुरू करो. Start now. Start now. यह बहुत अच्छा लगा. I really liked it. I really liked it. क्या तुम सुन रहे हो? Are you listening? Are you listening? मुझे आराम करने दो. Let me rest. Let me rest. मुझे जाने दो. Let me go. Let me go. यहाँ मत आओ. Don't come here. Don't come here. मुझे अकेला छोड़ दो. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. कुछ तो बोलो. Say something. Say something. तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो? Where are you going? Where are you going? मुझे जवाब चाहिए. I need an answer. I need an answer. मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ. I am very tired. I am very tired. क्या तुम ठीक हो? आर यू फाइन? आर यू फाइन? यह आसान नहीं है। दिस इज़ नॉट ईजी। दिस इज़ नॉट ईजी। मुझे नींद आ रही है। आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी। आई एम फीलिंग स्लीपी। मुझे डर लग रहा है। आई एम फीलिंग स्केर्ड। आई एम फीलिंग स्केर्ड। क्या हुआ? What happened? What happened? मुझे माफ़ कर दो। Please forgive me. Please forgive me. यह सही नहीं है। This is not right. This is not right. मुझे तुम पर भरोसा है। I trust you. I trust you. क्या तुम मुझे समझते हो? Do you understand me? Do you understand me? मुझे रोना आ रहा है। I feel crying. I feel crying. मैं खुश हूँ। I am happy. I am happy. मैं ठीक हूँ। I am fine. I am fine. तुम सही हो। You are right. You are right. यह तुम्हारा है। This is yours. This is yours. मुझे डर नहीं लग रहा। I am not afraid. I am not afraid. दरवाज़ा बंद करो। Close the door. Close the door. इसे ध्यान से देखो। Look at this carefully. Look at this carefully. ज़्यादा मत बोलो। Don't talk too much. Don't talk too much. यह बहुत ज़रूरी है। This is very important. This is very important. मुझे कुछ नहीं चाहिए। I don't want anything. I don't want anything. चलो चलते हैं। Let's go. Let's go. वापस आ जाओ। Come back. Come back. मुझे मत छुओ। Don't touch me. Don't touch me. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? यह कहाँ है? Where is it? Where is it? मुझे दिखाओ। Show me. Show me. अब बहुत देर हो चुकी है। It's too late now. It's too late now. थोड़ी देर रुको। Wait a moment. Wait a moment. जोर से बोलो। Speak loudly. Speak loudly. धीरे बोलो। Speak slowly. Speak slowly. इसे यहाँ रखो। Put it here. Put it here. वह कौन है? Who is that? Who is that? क्या तुम यकीन कर सकते हो? Can you believe it? Can you believe it? क्या यह तुम्हारा है? इज़ दिस योर्स? इज़ दिस योर्स? मुझे नहीं पता। आई डोंट नो। आई डोंट नो। मुझे बताओ। टेल मी। टेल मी। कुछ मदद चाहिए। नीड सम हेल्प। नीड सम हेल्प। मुझे इसकी आदत नहीं है। आई एम नॉट यूज टू इट। आई एम नॉट यूज टू इट। क्या यह सच है? इज़ इट ट्रू? इज़ इट ट्रू? अब क्या करें? What to do now? What to do now? सब कुछ ठीक होगा। Everything will be fine. Everything will be fine. मुझे जाने की इजाज़त दो। Let me leave. Let me leave. अब मत रो। Don't cry now. Don't cry now. चलो कुछ खाए। Let's eat something. Let's eat something. मुझे अकेला महसूस हो रहा है। I feel alone. I feel alone. मैं वापस आऊँगा। I will come back. I will come back. तुमसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. क्या तुम मुझे याद करोगे? Will you miss me? Will you miss me? यह मेरी पसंद है। This is my choice. This is my choice. मुझे कुछ समय दो। Give me some time. Give me some time. यह सच नहीं है। This is not true. This is not true. चलो कुछ नया करें। Let's do something new. Let's do something new. मैं कोशिश करूँगा। I'll try. I'll try. तुम बहुत समझदार हो। You are very smart. You are very smart. मुझे डर नहीं लगता। I am not scared. I am not scared. क्या यह ठीक है? Is this okay? Is this okay? मुझे सोचने दो। Let me think. Let me think. क्या तुम व्यस्त हो? Are you busy? Are you busy? मैं ठीक महसूस कर रहा हूँ। I am feeling fine. I am feeling fine. थोड़ा इंतज़ार करो। Wait a little. Wait a little. यह बहुत सुंदर है। This is very beautiful. This is very beautiful. मैं तैयार हूँ। I am ready. I am ready. मुझे शुरू करने दो। Let me start. Let me start. कुछ मत कहो। Don't say anything. Don't say anything. क्या तुम मुझे देख सकते हो? Can you see me? Can you see me? वह अभी नहीं है। He is not here now. He is not here now. यह मेरे लिए है। This is for me. This is for me. मुझे भूख लगी है। I am hungry. I am hungry. मैं प्यासा हूँ. I am thirsty. I am thirsty. दरवाज़ा खोलो. Open the door. Open the door. मुझे यह पसंद नहीं है. I don't like this. I don't like this. मैं थोड़ी देर में आता हूँ. I'll come in a while. I'll come in a while. तुमसे बात करके अच्छा लगा. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. यहाँ बैठो. Sit here. Sit here. ज़्यादा मत सोचो. Don't overthink. Don't overthink. सब्र रखो. Be patient. Be patient. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. मुझे बताने की ज़रूरत थी. I had to tell you. I had to tell you. क्या तुम मेरी बात समझे? Did you understand me? Did you understand me? यह बहुत कठिन है. This is very difficult. This is very difficult. मुझे यकीन है. I am sure. I am sure. कोई बात नहीं. No problem. No problem. यह मेरा है. This is mine. This is mine. ध्यान से सुनो. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आया. I didn't understand anything. I didn't understand anything. अब बहुत हो गया. That's enough now. That's enough now. थोड़ा और बोलो. Say a bit more. Say a bit more. अब मैं ठीक हूँ. I am fine now. I am fine now. क्या तुम नाराज़ हो? Are you angry? Are you angry? मुझे कुछ मत कहो. Don't say anything to me. Don't say anything to me. यह मेरे लिए कठिन है. It's hard for me. It's hard for me. तुम्हारा दिन कैसा रहा? How was your day? How was your day? मैं ठीक नहीं हूँ. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. Something is fishy. Something is fishy. सब कुछ बदल गया है. Everything has changed. Everything has changed. यह मेरा फैसला है. It's my decision. It's my decision. कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. Nothing makes sense. Nothing makes sense. अब सब ठीक है. Everything is fine now. Everything is fine now. मैं खुश नहीं हूँ. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. यह मेरी पसंद नहीं है. यह मेरी पसंद नहीं है. This is not my choice. This is not my choice. यह मेरी गलती थी. It was my fault. It was my fault. मुझे माफ़ करना. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. क्या तुम ठीक हो? Are you all right? Are you all right? मैं सोच रहा हूँ. I am thinking. I am thinking. मुझे अकेलापन लगता है. I feel lonely. I feel lonely. मैं परेशान हूँ. I am upset. I am upset. यह मेरी जिम्मेदारी है. It's my responsibility. It's my responsibility. यह बहुत पुराना है. This is very old. This is very old. मैं सोच नहीं पा रहा. I can't think. I can't think. मुझे विश्वास नहीं हो रहा. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. यह बहुत ज़रूरी है. This is very important. This is very important. क्या तुम तैयार हो? Are you ready? Are you ready? मुझे यह करने दो. Let me do this. Let me do this. क्या तुम मेरी बात मानोगे? Will you listen to me? Will you listen to me? यह मज़ेदार था. That was fun. That was fun. मैं भूल गया. I forgot. I forgot. मैं माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. I apologize. I apologize. मुझे ऐसा क्यों लगता है? Why do I feel this way? Why do I feel this way? क्या यह तुम्हें अच्छा लगा? Did you like it? Did you like it? मुझे कुछ समझाना है. I have to explain something. I have to explain something. क्या तुम वापस आओगे? Will you come back? Will you come back? मुझे तुम्हारी याद आ रही है. I miss you. I miss you. मैं कुछ नया सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning something new. I am learning something new. यह आसान लग रहा है. It seems easy. It seems easy. यह ठीक नहीं लगा. It didn't feel right. It didn't feel right. मैं आगे बढ़ रहा हूँ. I am moving forward. I am moving forward. तुम बहुत खास हो. You are very special. You are very special. यह मेरा सपना है. This is my dream. This is my dream. मैं अभी आने ही वाला हूँ. I'm just about to come. I'm just about to come. दरवाज़ा धीरे से बंद करो. Close the door quietly. Close the door quietly. उसे तीखा खाना पसंद नहीं है. He doesn't like spicy food. He doesn't like spicy food. आज हमने बहुत अच्छा समय बिताया. We had a great time today. We had a great time today. अब बहुत देर हो गई है. It's too late now. It's too late now. समय क्या हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? देर मत करना. Don't be late. Don't be late. मैं थक गया हूँ. I am tired. I am tired. चिल्लाओ मत. Don't shout. Don't shout. इसे मत छुओ. Don't touch it. Don't touch it. मुझे भूख लग रही है. I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. कृपया मुझे थोड़ा पानी दो. Please give me some water. Please give me some water. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? What are you doing? खिड़की खोलो. Open the window. Open the window. मुझे परेशान मत करो. Don't disturb me. Don't disturb me. मुझे बाद में कॉल करना. Call me later. Call me later. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. समय पूरा हो गया. Time is up. Time is up. इसे यहाँ रखो. Keep it here. Keep it here. वह बाहर तुम्हारा इंतजार कर रहा है. He is waiting for you outside. He is waiting for you outside. यहाँ शोर मत करो. Don't make noise here. Don't make noise here. मैं तुम्हें शाम को कॉल करूँगा. I will call you in the evening. I will call you in the evening. वह आज बहुत खुश लग रही है. She looks very happy today. She looks very happy today. वह क्रिकेट खेलने में अच्छा है. He is good at playing cricket. He is good at playing cricket. अपना फ़ोन साइलेंट पर रखो. Keep your phone on silent. Keep your phone on silent. मैं तुम्हें बताना भूल गया. I forgot to tell you. I forgot to tell you. उसे कुत्तों से डर लगता है. She is afraid of dogs. She is afraid of dogs. हमें स्कूल के लिए देर हो रही है. We are getting late for school. We are getting late for school. मेरी चीज़ों को मत छुओ. Don't touch my things. Don't touch my things. वह किसी की बात नहीं सुनता. He doesn't listen to anyone. He doesn't listen to anyone. मैं नहाने जा रहा हूँ. I am going to take a bath. I am going to take a bath. सोने से पहले लाइट बंद कर दो. Switch off the lights before sleeping. Switch off the lights before sleeping. मेरे फ़ोन की बैटरी कम है. My phone battery is low. My phone battery is low. मैं तुम्हारे जवाब का इंतज़ार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for your reply. I am waiting for your reply. मैं अपना बटुआ घर पर भूल गया. I forgot my wallet at home. I forgot my wallet at home. वह अपनी चाबियाँ ढूंढ रही है. She is looking for her keys. She is looking for her keys. यह किसी से मत कहना. Don't tell this to anyone. Don't tell this to anyone. मेरा बात करने का मन नहीं है. I am not in the mood to talk. I am not in the mood to talk. वह विदेश जाना चाहता है। He wants to go abroad. He wants to go abroad. यह गलती दोबारा मत करना। Don't make this mistake again. Don't make this mistake again. मैं अपने दोस्त से मिलने जा रहा हूँ। I'm going to meet my friend. I'm going to meet my friend. अपना कमरा साफ रखो। Keep your room clean. Keep your room clean. मैं कूद नहीं रहा। I'm not jumping. मैं कूद नहीं रहा। I'm not jumping. मैंने तुम्हें कूदते हुए देखा है। I show you jumping. I show you jumping. मैं तुम्हें आखिरी बार कह रहा हूँ। I am telling you for the last time. I am telling you for the last time. तुम सच में बदतमीज हो। इसे आप इंग्लिश में बोलोगे You are really ill-mannered. You are really ill-mannered. ill-mannered का मतलब होता है जो बदतमीज होते हैं या फिर जिनका व्यवहार बुरा होता है उनको हम कहते हैं ill-mannered. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस है तुम्हें अपना रवैया बदलना चाहिए। रवैया यानी कि बर्ताव को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं एटीट्यूड। इसे हम बोलेंगे You should change your attitude. You should change your attitude. वरना कोई भी तुमसे बात नहीं करेगा। Otherwise यानी वरना को हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे otherwise no one will talk to you. Otherwise no one will talk to you. तुम बहुत ज़्यादा शोर कर रहे हो। You are making too much noise. You are making too much noise. मुझे परेशानी हो रही है। I am having trouble. I am having trouble. तुम यहाँ नहीं रुक सकते। You can not stay here. You can not stay here. यह जगह छोड़ दो। Leave this place. Leave this place. तुमने यह कैसे सीखा? How did you learn this? How did you learn this? क्या तुम मुझसे बात करना चाहते हो? Do you want to talk to me? Do you want to talk to me? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे अगर मुझे ज़रूरत पड़े? Will you help me if I need it? Will you help me if I need it? तुमने यह कब किया? When did you do this? When did you do this? क्या तुम मुझे यह करना सिखा सकते हो? Can you teach me how to do this? Can you teach me how to do this? तुम बहुत अच्छा काम कर रहे हो। You are doing a great job. You are doing a great job. क्या तुम इसे मेरे लिए फिर से कर सकते हो? Can you do it for me again? Can you Do it for me again. तुम मुझे क्यों घेर रहे हो? Why are you surrounding me? Why are you surrounding me? तुम मुझे कहाँ ले जा रहे हो? Where are you taking me? Where are you taking me? क्या तुम मुझे थोड़ी देर अकेला छोड़ सकते हो? Can you leave me alone for a while? Can you leave me alone for a while? मुझे इस बारे में सोचने का समय चाहिए. I need some time to think about it. I need some time to think about it. मुझे यह बहुत आसान लगता है. It seems very easy to me. It seems very easy to me. क्या तुम मेरा विश्वास करोगे? Will you trust me? Will you trust me? तुम मुझसे क्या चाहते हो? What do you want from me? What do you want from me? यह बात मुझे बहुत परेशान करती है. This thing bothers me a lot. This thing bothers me a lot. क्या तुमने इसे ठीक से किया? Did you do it properly? Did you do it properly? क्या तुमने इसे ठीक किया? Did you fix it? Did you fix it? मुझे नहीं पता था कि तुम यहाँ हो. I didn't know you were here. I didn't know you were here. क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगे? Will you help me? Will you help me? तुम इतने खुश क्यों हो? Why are you so happy? Why are you so happy? क्या तुम अपने साथ लाए हो? Did you bring it with you? Did you bring it with you? क्या तुम मेरे साथ घूमने चलोगे? Will you go out with me? Will you go out with me? तुम कितनी देर से सो रहे हो? How long have you been sleeping? How long have you been sleeping? यह किसी और ने किया था. Someone else did this. Someone else did this. तुमने इसे कितनी बार किया? How many times have you done this? How many times have you done this? क्या तुम मुझे एक दिन का समय दे सकते हो? Can you give me a day's time? Can you give me a day's time? यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot here. यहाँ बहुत गर्मी है. It's very hot here. तुम मुझे क्यों नहीं समझते? Why don't you understand me? Why don't you understand me? क्या तुम मुझसे मिलने आ सकते हो? कैन यू कम टू मीट मी? कैन यू कम टू मीट मी? तुमने यह इतनी जल्दी कैसे किया? हाउ डिड यू डू दिस सो क्विकली? हाउ डिड यू डू दिस सो क्विकली? क्या तुम मुझे वह दिखा सकते हो? कैन यू शो मी दैट? कैन यू शो मी दैट? क्या तुम मुझे अपना फ़ोन दे सकते हो? कैन यू गिव मी योर फ़ोन? कैन यू गिव मी योर फ़ोन? क्या तुम मुझे इस काम के लिए जिम्मेदार ठहरा रहे हो? आर यू ब्लेमिंग मी फॉर दिस टास्क? आर यू ब्लेमिंग मी फॉर दिस टास्क? And thank you for watching.